Imagine waking up to money already made while you were sleeping. That's the magic of passive income. It's money that you earn with little to no daily effort. Picture this. You pen a best-selling ebook. Each sale, even while you're off adventuring, brings in cash. Or perhaps you invest in real estate, renting out properties for a steady income stream. Maybe you even start a blog, monetizing it with ads and affiliate marketing. Even creating an app or a course can turn into a gold mine. Remember, the first step is the hardest. But once you've set the wheels in motion, the sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today. For more inspiration, check out the link in the description.